Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, in this video, I will be sharing very beautiful, very classy and very beautifully arranged with a very colorful and eye-catching combination of hand embroidered all over very beautiful heavy floral bunches that could be used as all over designs or simple decent and elegant motifs onto your shirts, kurtis, sleeves or shirt borders. Friends, the entire collection is based on a specific hand embroidery stitch, that is Sindhi stitch, kutch work, Gujarati jammer, Gujarati embroidery. So these are the three different names that are taken for a one stitch that is being shown onto you or screens. See, this very beautifully designed mustard border is a very beautiful border. This off-white border with pink and blue is a very beautiful combination that could be used onto your shirts or kurtis. This peacock inspired design is a very eye-catching and mesmerizing new style pattern. This beautifully designed decent light and dark blue combo neckline is a very decent and elegant kurti design. Similarly, decent and attractive and very latest and unique designs have been shown in this entire collection. I hope that you would like them and kindly do try these patterns, these color combinations, the very beautiful and intricate style Sindhi embroidery onto your dresses if you are a dress designer or lover of dress designing. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, don't forget to like my video and share my video with your friends and family. And keep supporting us and keep watching my content. Stay blessed.